Breaking news! Before we get to our goddamn video, we're gonna do something first. Back to your normal schedule viewing. What's up, AKMH guys? Let's hope I didn't get scammed. They are finally. Alright, the double booster bundle that I got. I did not know Shrouded Fable was an actual set. I never knew it existed in my entire life. But that doesn't matter now. Packaging is cool. Pretty sure this only has 6 packs, but I don't care. Cut. Finally. Yep. Take the clothes on. Yep. God. And the pack goes. Oh. Alright, let me check out the art in the card. We got a Pekaron, Pheasantipity, a Monkey Dory, and Okidogi. The rest of them are Pheasantipity and Pekaron. So, now time to vertical for shorts. Let's start off with the Pheasantipity. That did not help. What the f? Yabba dabba. Oh shit. No! The energy is a water, Dartrix, Stuffle, Houndoom, Furfuro, Crobat, Genie Secret Art, Iron Moth. Ooh, that's a cool reverse. And Crobat and Hollow Cresselia. Next one. Okay. Where's the code? This code. The energy is Grass, Persian, Fracture, Furfuro, Tuxcroak, Malamar, Sylveon, Yveltal, Xenix Master Reverse, Axe Reverse, and a Kindra EX. Fuck yeah, finally something good. Now it's time for another Shrouded Fable. Son of a nutcracker, oh my god. Feature. The energy is a Steel. Okay, we got Seadra, Krogan, Golbat, Persian. I'm not gonna read that. Sylveon, Binding Mochi, Reverse Dusclops, Reverse Toxic Croak, and the Hollow Zora. I'm going to Shrouded Fables. Of course, the last Nick. The energy is Electric, Dusclops, Rowlet, Axew, Zora, Malamar, Galvantula, Power Glass, Reverse Q-Fant, Reverse Siloing, and goddamn another. We're gonna do some Shrouded Fables. Pekaron card. Yeah, close enough. Well, that fell out. So let's go. The energy is Hollow Water. Yeah. Varoom, Zubat, Houndour, Power Glass, Genesect, Binding Mochi, First Academy Knight, Reverse Fracture, and then Blood New Ursaluna. Another Hollow. Oh my. Last pack. Let's hope I hope at least get something more. Kindra EX. That's set of 5 shadowing, if you didn't know. Is Fighting, Duskull, Houndoom, Stuffle, Joltik. I'm not gonna read that. Hypno. I can't read that name. Reverse Cassiopeia, Reverse Kyurem, and no, I just spent like my goddamn money for only this. I'm gonna riot. out of this entire thing, we got bad luck again, twice in a row. All we found was Kingdra EX and Hollow Energy. The prices will be up here, and I just spent money on this. Please subscribe for my sake.
But I'm bored now. It's time to do something else.
Alright, we got scissors. Gotta cut this, and you're like cutting yourself, you emo bastard. Oh my god!